Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, the chart lost some attractiveness, but before you go, there's a huge difference between a chart being totally ruined and losing some attractiveness. Now, if you watched yesterday's video, you probably know what I'm going to talk about in regards to how did it lose some of its attractiveness, and that is because the price is now down below that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And that's just not the ideal situation. It would have been much better had the price been able to stay up above it. But like I said, with that being said, it's not like that totally destroyed the entire chart. And the reason for that is this other green line that I've talked about right there at the 11-cent mark, which is, surprise, surprise, the power of charts, right where the price bounced off of right there. So why is this level, important? And, this is, the level that, like I said, is keeping the chart from me saying, oh, wow, this thing is totally destroyed. No, it lost some attractiveness, but you can't say it's totally destroyed because let's say, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but to kind of illustrate my point here, let's say it does go down to 11 cents again, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have a set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that progress point as 11 cents. Now, I realize that none of this really matters to you if you are some sort of day trader and you bought up there. So these comments are definitely being made for those of you that care about more so the bigger picture point of view. So from the big picture, sure, the price or the chart has lost a little bit of attractiveness. But as far as the big picture is concerned, price does still have that opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.